Good morning, probability masters! You guys are getting so good at understanding all the different things to do with probability. Today, I want to teach you a new word. I know. Another new word, Miss V? Well, yeah, because we're actually getting ready to go to grade 1. I remember when we learned about shapes, and I said, I don't want you guys to use the word point anymore for the top pointy part of a shape. I want you to use the word vertex. Well, it's the same thing with math today in probability. We learned the word always, but we're not going to use that word anymore. What I want to use is the word certain. Certain is a new math word, and it means always. Let's take a look at some examples. When we say something is certain, it means things that we know are going to happen. Take a look. It says, it will get dark at night. Well, what do you think? Every night, no matter what, it gets dark. And we can say, it is certain. Can you say that with me? Because we're going to say it a couple times over the next slides. Let's try. It is certain. Tuesday will come after Monday. No matter what. The days of the week are always the same. Tuesday will always come after Monday. Let's try. Ready? It is certain. If you jump in a pool, you will get wet. What do you think? Ready? It is certain. You will have a birthday next year. Of course you'll have a birthday every year. On that day, it's your birthday. It is certain. Now, you might be thinking, Miss V, this is easy. I get it. I'm super happy about that. If you're a little bit confused though, that's okay. Send me a message and I'd be happy to go through more examples with you. But instead of doing a sheet today, what I'd really like is for us to practice using our voice. In math class, we talk and we share our ideas all the time. And we want to continue doing that even when we're online. What I'd like is instead of writing your idea down, can you record your voice or create a quick video where you use our new probability math words? You can use the sentence, it is certain that. And then tell me something that is certain, something that always happens. But don't use the word always. Then you can send that clip in to the math folder. We're going to create an assignment for this so you can actually send that clip in the assignments tab rather than sending it in the chat. Both of those are great. Now, ready to go? It is certain that I will see you today in small groups. Bye!